Selene and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to share with you guys a Christmas home tour of our decorations this year. And every room's a little bit different. I'm so happy that I finally have a home where I can decorate each space a little bit different and just go all out. It's my favorite time of the year, and if you guys have been here for a while on my channel, then you guys have seen how much I love Christmas, and it's my favorite time of the year. I just feel like people are a little bit more generous, they're nicer, they're more cheerful, and I just love the magic of Christmas, and I love all of the treats and the memories that you get to create with your family members and all of the parties and all the gatherings, and it's just so special to me. I'm really excited to share with you guys our decorations, and I'm also going to share with you guys a before of what the process was like, just a short clip of you could see what it took to get to where it's at, because I take a lot of time decorating. I'm also going to share with you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of what took each room to get decorated, because it is a lot of hard work, but I love it so much. It makes me so happy, and I want you guys to see how it kind of came along and came together. And today's video is in collaboration with At Home, and they are my dream sponsorship. I get really emotional whenever I talk about this sponsorship because they sponsored last year's video, and it's just such a dream to see like where I started to where I am at now, and I'm just so grateful. And it is honestly a dream sponsorship. They sponsored last year's video, and I get so emotional every time I talk about it, because it's just mind-blowing to me that a huge brand like At Home, a place that I've always shopped at and a place that I often go to for my home decor, noticed me and asked to collaborate with me on a video so that I could share how I decorate my home. And that just to me just hits so close to home, and Christmas has always been something that I've always looked forward to, and it's just honestly my favorite sponsorship of the year. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So let's begin with the outside of the house. I love decorating all of the windows with different wreaths and also lights like on the bushes and around the house, and my dad is the one who helps me with all of this. We have started to make it a tradition when he comes over maybe like the first week of November, and we start putting up all of the wreaths. The neighbors loved it. They drove by and they complimented the house. They said that they really enjoyed and appreciate it because when they drive by they could see all of the beautiful wreaths. And I also decorated the front porch with these really cute trees from At Home, and then I always love to get my mats from At Home because they have such a wide variety of different colors that I could switch them off with different seasons, and it makes the front entrance feel very inviting. So as soon as you walk in, there is this formal living room on the right hand side, and we actually renovated this entire space. So I was so excited to put up a tree here and also decorate it with like a really cute bar cart along with a chair, and also finally get up some canvas paints up on the walls. And everything that you see in this room is from At Home. I love it because they have everything from like picture frames and furniture and of course seasonal items. If you are having a hard time choosing what theme you want your tree to be, if you guys walk down the aisles of At Home, they have different areas and they all have them in different themes and different colors so that you could see how all the decorations will look good together and you don't have to hunt them down. Like this deer right here was so cute. I would have never thought of putting this in our living room, but I saw it on a display and I love how it looked with the decorations, that it totally gave me the idea to add it to our living room as well. And then this is another display that I saw. It was this beautiful bar cart and it had like all these beautiful decorations on top of it. So I just went ahead and I grabbed all the cups that were already on display, and I went and looked at the other decorations that matched like the gold tones and the pinks and the whites, and that's how this whole theme came together. It was so beautiful. As I mentioned, they also have a lot of furniture, and I was looking for a white chair like this, and I was so excited because it had a different variety with different woods and different like tufted patterns, and I picked this one up. The theme for this room, I wanted it to be rose gold, and so I wanted to incorporate some pinks in there, and so I picked up this really cozy throw blanket, and I also picked up this really beautiful embellished pillow with all the different sequins on there, and it looks so great together. So everything was within the same area. So whenever I was looking at decor, it was just so easy to put everything together. And I also fell in love with all of the ornaments that were on the trees, and I also found those from at home as well. This is what it looks like with the lights turned off, and so it just gives it a little bit of a cooler tone feel, which whether the lights are on or off, like this tree just looks so beautiful. I also picked up bunch of different little embellishments for the tree aside from the ornaments, which by the way are so stunning. I've never seen ornaments like that before. And I also picked up like little sticks to put inside of the tree along with some pink ribbon. And as I have mentioned already, everything was from at home.
Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh.
Let's move on over to the office, and I showed you guys in a mini series of my decorating how this room came along together, and all the decorations that are also inside of this office are from at home, and the majority of them are from last year. So I did have them nice and neat inside of this storage box, and I just took everything out and displayed all of the decorations. And this is how it looks now. Let's head on over to the family room, and this is where I go all out. And this takes me several days to put up all together. This tree alone is 10 feet tall, which is a lot of work to put up, but it's so totally worth it. I love it. It fills the space really, really nice, especially because we have high ceilings and everything just looks so pretty together. And let me show you guys what it took to get to where we are now. All of the ornaments that are on the tree, along with the embellishments that are on the rest of the decor, are all from at home. I had a hard time trying to decide what the theme for this year should be, and when I was walking through the aisles, all of these were together, and it looked very whimsical and beautiful, and so I decided to go with a rose gold along with some garlands to put around the tree, and it just looks so beautiful.
Told lies.
of my favorite new finds this year was this pillow with the reindeer. I wish I would have picked up 2 of these so I can put them side by side, but I love the sequins on there. I think it looks so nice, and I love how it's like a thicker sequins material and it's a little bit clustered because I think it makes it look so pretty. For the ribbon on the stairwell, I used the same ribbon that I used in the formal living room tree, and it just looks so good together. It all tied in, and it just looks so nice whenever you turn on the lights. It makes it feel magical. Let's move on over to the dining room, and this year was the first time that I went all out on a table arrangement because I really wanted us to sit down and it feel like nice, warm, and cozy and just really festive. And so I decided to go with a simple theme that was like elegant and clean.
Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy. I've been waiting by the phone, and the song will meet you at the door. This Christmas will be something unreal. Baby, I'm falling under your charm. All I ever wanted, got you wrapped up in my arms, and we'll stay up all night, and the fireside is blazing bright. This Christmas will be something unreal. Darling, you saved my heart, just as I thought I was falling apart. I'll be on your side forevermore. Under the mistletoe, I'll be just fine when you knock on my door. Kiss me, darling, don't be shy. It's you that I adore. I will try hard just to keep you, so keep on smiling. That is what I'll do when Hollywood is firing. We've conquered problems, over fears. This Christmas will be something unreal.
One of my favorite areas in our home is our coffee bar. I love waking up in the morning, walking down, making myself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and just starting off my day. And so I love to decorate it every single season. I grab different kinds of decorations and just go all out. It just makes me so happy, and it totally makes my day.
Tinsel bright, but you outshine all. Like a fresh cut tree, I fall for your light. On this Christmas night, all the angels are singing. On this Christmas
that you guys enjoyed this video, and a huge shout out to At Home once again for sponsoring today's video, and a huge shout out to you guys for giving me all the opportunities that I've had this year. I really truly appreciate all the sweet comments that you leave, the direct messages that you leave on my Instagram, and just all the sweet things that you guys have ever said. I really appreciate it. You guys make my day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday with your family and loved ones, and make sure to give them a big hug this year and take tons of pictures, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.